Dear student, I am extremely delighted to welcome you to our university for this online program. I appreciate your interest and also congratulate you for having taken a decision to join in our online program. I may introduce you our university, that Acharya Nagarjuna University has been established in the year 1976 and named after Acharya Nagarjuna, the great Buddhist philosopher who is considered as the second Buddha. Keeping in view of the significance of the philosophical foundations of the area, it has been named after Acharya Nagarjuna, and the Buddhism is spread across our area of the districts with which we are associated. Friend, I may also inform you that ours is a government-owned university and one of the 19 universities now in the state of New Andhra Pradesh, funded mostly by the government and also funded by the University Grants Commission. And we are also funded by the various ministries, including the Department of Science and Technology and the departments of Ministry of Empowerment, Social Justice and the like. And I also tell you that we are very much preferred and being extended financial assistance by various other agencies and member of the Association of Indian Universities and also a member of the Association of Commonwealth Universities. Thus, ANU has been one of the preferred destinations for pursuing courses in undergraduation and also in post-graduation. We have established on our campus 6 constituent colleges. We offer about 70 courses, including the liberal arts and the sciences, engineering, pharmacy, architecture, and many other disciplines. Ours is a university, except medicine, we have almost every course that is on offer. And one of the distinguishing features of our university has been the distance mode of education. We have established an exclusive outfit for extending this education, the Center for Distance Education, in 2003, and we have compiled a long experience in satisfying the student friends in terms of this non-formal education. We have about 1.5 lakh students that have been taking education, receiving our service for various courses, and our strengths include a very rich content that has been there and also the student services that are there at least on demand. And now I welcome you to this online mode. The university has taken a decision that we are required to supplement our own effort in catering to the needs of the student friends in terms of the changing technology, and keeping in view of the advancements in the technology, we are trying to take advantage of them, and thus we have taken a decision to introduce the online education to our young student friends. I am really happy to note that the present generation is tech savvy and they are very well conversant in the use of so many electronic gadgets, and I think mobiles and then iPods they're all very familiar with you, and thus we want you to pursue this kind of an education. And also I think I imagine that there would be a phenomenal increase in terms of the student population interested in pursuing education through this online, and we are now intending to offer this from this academic year 2014-15, and hopefully we may be going on air with about from the 1st of the August that is concerned. And for the time being, you may be interested in knowing, we have shortlisted at about 16 courses with different program options to coming to about 30 program options taken together, and you may go through the list and then depending upon your interest, I think we take the privilege and be happy to welcome you into our ANU family. So Acharya Nagarjuna University has been in the forefront in several ways, and it has a strong presence in terms of the faculty and also in terms of the campus student strength. Around 5,000 students are with us and taking admissions, and almost about 90% of them are residential. And also the faculty wise, I think we have a very dedicated and committed faculty having an international exposure, and in all the courses that we offer, and they are recognized by the national and the international agencies. And in addition, and our people also have the exposure to participating in various conferences and on the other kind. And that way Acharya Nagarjuna University has been adjudged as one of the top 15 universities according to the recent survey by the universities, going according to the universities in India. So that is one of our strong points. And also that Acharya Nagarjuna University has many MOUs, so memoranda of understanding with the industrial units located in and around, and we have been forwarding the candidates for actual and practical interaction with the students, whereby so we have been providing opportunity for internships and practice schools like that. And also we have been inviting all the CEOs and the executives to our university. And in addition, we have about 25 endowments where we organize periodically endowment lectures with great experts in the respective fields, and all of them are going to be put in the online mode, and you would be receiving the benefit of whatever has been happening on the campus. You will have a feel of the same with the online mode of education that we are extending. And I am also happy to inform the dear student friend that we would be taking and we would be providing every facility that is available at the university for the benefit of pursuing your own course on this new mode of learning. So one more interesting aspect of the university is that we have a large presence of the international students coming from different countries, at least 10 to 15 countries, for pursuing their post-graduation and also the research. Right now we have about 300 candidates that have come from mainly the South Asian countries for pursuing the post-graduation in economics, in education, in sociology, in engineering, in pharmacy, and also research in some of these disciplines and staying with us. And that way we have been providing a very rich learning experience not only to the students hailing from the area from within the Andhra Pradesh and outside Andhra Pradesh, and also from the international students and from other countries. That is how Acharya Nagarjuna University has turned out to be a preferred destination for the students of the country and also outside the country. So with this I believe that I am confident you are having the complete interaction and also satisfaction to join with our university, and I once again take the opportunity to welcome you to be one of the distinguished members of our ANU family.